So hello students, today I've come up with a very small video, a quick revision for AIMS paper that's happening on June 5th. I received a few comments and a few questions to make a last minute 2-day strategy for AIMS paper. क्या पढ़ना चाहिए PSM को लेके, of course, क्या नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. So what I've done is, you can see over here I have a bundle of papers with me. Okay, so I solved the question papers from 2017 to 2019 जो भी आया है in AIMS, and I have in them a list of important topics and the questions जो काफ़ी repeat हो रहे हैं, so that in these 2 days at least वो topics revise करके for PSM you need to go. Okay, so I'll just tell you very briefly about that. This paper over here is the golden thing जहाँ पे I'm keeping a little busy due to this lockdown, work from home and stuff. I have just put it down on this piece of paper, the important topics over here. I'll just show it to you. Alright, so I'll just read them out so that you'll get to know about the type of questions that they're asking you, and also the important topics that they're kind of repeating it, whether it's a direct question or an indirect question. So I'll just quickly tell you. Now the very first thing, guys, let me take a pencil. Sorry, I cannot find it here. Okay, so it's here. Alright, so the very first thing that you need to know is biostatistics is one of the favorite topics for PSM and AIMS paper. मैंने लास्ट 3 साल के पेपर्स देखे, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए, और इसमें बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है. इफ़ यू वांट टू नोट डाउन, यू कैन नोट इट डाउन. Like I'll tell you the questions that are being repeated for biostats, or किसी way से they're asking on those topics only. It is on normal distribution. अभी एक पेपर में I think November 2019 या May 2019 में they gave they gave 2 curves, normal distribution, and another 2 curves that had a bimodal distribution, and you had to make a correct option. You had to select a correct option. Obviously, I cannot teach you the question answers right now, but for you to revise, I'm telling you, last minute revision के लिए, please study normal distribution, characteristics of that curve, and of course, क्योंकि normal पूछा है तो skewed distribution भी पूछ सकते हैं, तो characteristic of that curve पढ़ लो. Then very important, always हर पेपर में, चाहे नीट हो, एम्स हो, पीजीआई हो, जिपमर हो, they are asking you about p values. ठीक है, p value as you all know is the probability of committing a type 1 error. तो p value को घुमा फिरा के किसी ना किसी तरह से वो पूछ रहे हैं कि 2 स्टडीज हुए थे, एक में p value 0.003 निकला, एक में p value 0.008 निकला. Accordingly, they'll frame 4 options, which test is better, and so on and so forth. So do revise p values. So I've told you 2 of them. The third, they're asking about the graphical representations, जिसमें the favorite topic, guys, is scatter diagram. ठीक है, scatter diagram definitely पूछ रहे हैं. Scatter diagram, as you know, is to compare means मतलब 2 quantitative variables का correlation दिखाने के लिए होता है. So I cannot actually teach you all that right now, but just for you so that you can revise all these. So read about the graphical, study about the graphical representations. They are also asking about sample size, very very important. Sample size का question वो किसी ना किसी तरह से पूछ ही रहे हैं. मोस्ट कॉमन उनका जो क्वेश्चन है that what are the factors on which sample size depends. तो please remember the most simple sample size formula for cross sectional study जो आपको पूछा जाएगा for case control cohort, other sample calculation formulas होते हैं, but the most important one is for PQ by D square. P is the prevalence of that particular thing that you're trying to do, Q is 100 minus P, and D is absolute error. So ये definition को, ये formula को याद रखना so that you're able to solve question of sample sizes. Then they're asking one very important thing, quartiles. Okay, so quartiles, जैसे ये line है, ये 0 to 100 है. Quartiles क्या होते हैं, जो इस line को 4 equal part में divide कर जाए, तो it will intercept at 3 points, Q1, Q2, Q3. So these are the 3 quartiles. So इसी से related they are asking you, they asked I think in 2018 AIMS paper that if Q1 is at 34th point, how many percentage of observations is above that Q1. तो अगर Q1 34th point पे है, तो एक बात समझ लो कि it is dividing, there are 3 intercepts that will divide this 0 to 100 into 4 equal parts, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. So अगर Q1 34th पॉइंट पे भी है तो ये टोटल ऑब्जर्वेशंस 106 हो जाएगा, तो 75th ऑब्जर्वेशंस will always be above this 34th point. I'm just trying to explain you also whatever I can in this little point of time. So please revise about the quartiles. Okay, what am I missing in biostatistics? Yes, favorite question, forest plot. Please remember forest plot आया है 2 बार, somehow they've asked it. एक बार तो they've drawn an image of a forest plot, so if possible please revise the image of a forest plot and उसमें they've asked you कि कौन से risk factors associated है. Forest plot is done for evaluation and meta-analysis. Meta-analysis is when you're trying to study a number of studies together. It's an analysis of analysis. उसमें for statistical analysis, to get a pooled value, we use forest plot. So do revise forest plot. Okay, so also they're asking you question on regression and correlation. So biostats में regression correlation पढ़ना ही है. I know there are 2 days. Biostats revision is a must because there will definitely be 3 questions, 3 to 4 questions rather I would say in biostats. किसी एक पेपर में I think May 2019 में they have consecutively asked 2 questions on test of statistical significance, जो है पैरामेट्रिक एंड नॉन पैरामेट्रिक. पैरामेट्रिक इज फॉर क्वांटिटेटिव वेरिएबल्स, नॉन पैरामेट्रिक इज फॉर नॉन क्वांटिटेटिव वेरिएबल्स और क्वालिटेटिव वेरिएबल्स. तो जहाँ पे तुम्हें क्वेश्चंस में मीन्स एंड स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन दिखेगा वहाँ पे पैरामेट्रिक टेस्ट आएगा, जिसके एग्जाम्पल्स क्या क्या हैं. इफ यू रिमेंबर टी टेस्ट विच इज पेयर्ड, अनपेयर्ड एंड एनोवा, and on the other side the non-parametric test that you need to remember is chi-square test and sign test. Sign test is a this thing of pair t test only and unpaired, और उसके लिए हमारे पास chi-square होता है नोवा. ठीक है, so that is very important. This is very important. They are also asking about coefficient of variation. So please read the formula of coefficient of variation, and once they asked about margin of error. So to sum up, biostats बहुत important है. नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को देख के जाना, रिवाइज करके जाना, ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा रिवाइज करके जाना, टेस्ट ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिकल सिग्निफिकेंस रिवाइज करके जाना, कोरिलेशन रिग्रेशन का जो ग्राफ है वो देख के जाना, एंड ऑफ कोर्स पी वैल्यू. एंड आई फॉरगॉट वन थिंग, टाइप्स ऑफ एरर. One of the very favorite questions, they're definitely asking type 1, type 2 error. Somehow or the other they're bringing it to the question. So that's it for biostats. Another very important topic, the love topic for AIMS paper is screening. Screenings में calculations, formulas, please rise and go. Sensitivity, specificity, positive predictive value, negative predictive value. And one most important and favorite question in AIMS paper is जो 2 बार repeat हुआ है, test in series and test in parallel. What would be the effect on sensitivity and specificity for test in series and parallel? Please revise that. And one more very important, receiver operating curve, ROC curve. ठीक है, जिसमें बहुत सारे, जैसे एक किसी डिजीज़ को पता करने के लिए 2-3 स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट होते हैं, एक टेस्ट के 2-3 कट ऑफ होते हैं, तो विच इज़ द बेस्ट, वो पता करने के लिए हमारे पास ROC कर्व होता है. ठीक है, सो स्क्रीनिंग में ये 3 टॉपिक है. मूविंग अहेड, आफ्टर स्क्रीनिंग फेवरेट टॉपिक कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन है इज़ your biomedical waste. So that's the third in the list guys. Biomedical waste बहुत important है. Please revise just the 4 categories जो अभी है and the method of disposal of each of the categories. कुछ भी दे देंगे, plastic part of catheter, anything, urine bags, used gloves, किस में dispose होगा. So that you need to really revise and go, and it's very scoring. Next, coming to another important PSM topic which is epidemiology. Epidemiology में अभी टाइम नहीं है, रिवाइज क्या क्या करोगे, टाइप्स ऑफ स्टडी डिज़ाइंस. डेफिनेटली सी व्हाट इज़ अ क्रॉसओवर डिज़ाइन, व्हाट इज़ द नेस्टेड केस कंट्रोल डिज़ाइन. ठीक है, ये वो बहुत पूछते हैं, सिंपल वे से लिखेंगे एंड दे विल आस्क यू व्हिच टाइप ऑफ स्टडी डिज़ाइन इट इज़. ऑल्सो yes, very important for epidemiology I've written over here is, yes, one of the favorite question is types of epidemics. फिगर्स प्रोवाइड कर देंगे फॉर द टाइप्स ऑफ एपिडेमिक्स में. जैसे क्वेश्चन दिया था एपिडेमिक कि इतने केसेस हो रहे हैं, अभी इतने हुए, इज इट एन एपिडेमिक, एंडेमिक, पैंडेमिक, स्पोरैडिक. सो जस्ट रिवाइज द डेफिनेशन एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज do the figures of continuous single point exposures, continuous source, okay, that types of epidemics पढ़ लेना बहुत important है. Please read, yes, confounding, blinding आता है. What is a confounder? Somehow or the other they'll put in the definition, blinding. And how do you remove confounding? So those they've asked twice in the paper, so that you can read for epidemiology. Also, if I'm missing something, you need to read from Concept of Health and Diseases, PQLI, HDI, Physical Quality Life Index and Human Development Index. आएगा ही आएगा, हमेशा आते जा रहा है हर पेपर में. It's very simple and it's scoring. So please revise that last minute revision के लिए. These are the things that I'm telling you basically for last minute revision. Then let's talk about vaccines. Vaccines, definitely they're going to come. So learn about universal immunization program. Read it कि अभी कौन से vaccines हैं, कब दे रहे हैं. For any vaccine, just read the type of vaccine, the route of administration, the dose, site. ठीक है, ये देख लेना. They will ask you कि which of the following is not included in UIP or which out of the following is included in UIP. Then very important, twice has come vaccine vial monitor. अभी भी आता है, हमेशा आते रहेगा. They'll give you the image of it and they'll simply ask you which can be used and which cannot be used. So that is very important. What else have I written? Yes, delayed immunization. Delayed immunization, revise करके जाना है कि if a child comes at 1 year of age, has not received any vaccination so far, what are you going to give the child? If the child comes at say 2 years of age, so that concept please revise and go. I'm sure you must have learned it by now. So these are just last minute revision topics, okay? Also you need to read about types of vaccine, जिसमें freeze dried vaccine जो है या लायोफिलाइज्ड वैक्सीन जिसमें डायलेंस यूज होते हैं, जैसे BCG हो गया, मीजल्स हो गया. लर्न अबाउट दोज, व्हाट डायलेंस आर यूज्ड, फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग दे कैन बी यूज्ड ओनली अप टू 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours मैक्सिमम. सो वो कर लेना. Okay, another important thing that they're asking is numericals. They're asking simple numericals. Perinatal mortality rate आ चुका है, infant mortality rate पूछा है, but the question was very confusing. So make sure that you understand the concept. So read all the rates, revise them. Infant mortality, neonatal mortality, perinatal period भी पूछा है, perinatal mortality rate भी पूछा है. It's one of the favorite questions. So do those rates. They've also asked कि एक सब सेंटर है, उसमें मिनिमम कितनी प्रेगनेंसीज रजिस्टर होनी चाहिए. So those type of numericals you should know. कितने बच्चे रजिस्टर्ड होने चाहिए. So those numericals please revise. Then we come to very important part, programs. Last minute क्या क्या प्रोग्राम पढ़ के जाओगे, सब नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं. So what are the things that you need to revise? Revise leprosy का अभी elimination criteria. Please remember less than 1 case per 10,000 population. Don't mess it up. Then talk about RMNCHA. They ask the latest maternal and child health programs. Maternal में read the latest one, Lakshya Labor Quality Improvement Initiative है. Read those programs. Read about Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram, Janani Suraksha Yojana. Just a few important maternal programs जो आपको पढ़ लेने चाहिए. Indian Newborn Action Plan, ठीक है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इन इन्फेंट मोर्टालिटी रेट, कितना घटाना है, स्टिल बर्थ्स एंड ऑल दैट. रीड दैट. रीड पोलियो कि पोलियो का अभी पोलियो फ्री है इंडिया. एंड AFP सर्विलेंस में हमेशा सवाल पूछा है. 4 ऑप्शंस दे गिव यू यूजली, सो रीड दैट AFP सर्विलेंस. For HIV, read the prophylaxis of newborn maternal to child transmission पढ़ लेना. The drugs क्या देना है, and also needle stick injury. If somebody has needle stick injuries, how do we manage that case? So these are for programs. For malaria, please read the malarial indices. Pre-eradication and eradication era अगर आता है, they talk about annual blood examination rate, annual parasite incidence. These are very important malarial indices that you must know. Then they will ask you about important slogans. तो अभी वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे का क्या था देख लेना, जो 7 अप्रैल को होता है. जो इम्पोर्टेंट स्लोगन्स क्या क्या रह चुके हैं. वर्ल्ड एड्स डे का 2019 में क्या था, ओके. टोबैको एंटी टोबैको डे का 2019 में क्या था. 2020 का तो अभी इट्स जस्ट गॉन 31 मई, सो इट्स लेस लाइकली दैट इट विल बी इन अ क्वेश्चन. सो फॉर इम्पॉर्टेंट डेज, इम्पॉर्टेंट स्लोगन्स, डू रीड इट. इमेज बेस्ड एनवायरमेंट से बहुत पूछते हैं. दे विल आस्क यू एंटोमोलॉजी. they've given sandfly as an option, they've given ticks as an option. So just quickly look at the images and try to visualize how you'll recognize sandfly, how you'll recognize anopheles, culex, Aedes. ये आएगा ठीक है, इमेज बेस्ड में। एनवायरनमेंट से क्या पढ़ना है, पास्चराइजेशन टेक्निक, बेस्ट मेथड ऑफ पास्चराइजेशन, हाउ विल यू टेस्ट इफ द मिल्क हैज बीन पास्चराइज्ड, okay, so for that you have phosphatase test that you must read. Also read about, yes, what have I written, chlorination, environment से पक्का क्वेश्चन है chlorination, anything they can give you, free residual chlorine कितना होना चाहिए normal water bodies में, drinking water में, swimming pools में, to kill cyclops कितना होना चाहिए, ठीक है। so that is about important image based questions. Also health communication and health planning and health economics, if you have time revise it. हेल्थ इकोनॉमिक्स में क्वेश्चन जो पूछ रहे हैं, दे आस्किंग अबाउट कॉस्ट बेनिफिट एनालिसिस, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव एनालिसिस, बोथ में व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, मॉनेटरी एंड बेनिफिशियरी गेन्स, सो रीड दैट एंड गो। हेल्थ कम्युनिकेशन में देव आस्क्ड अबाउट एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन विच इज स्पाइक्स टेक्निक. Spikes technique, I cannot teach you entire thing, but just remember it's a technique when we have to break the news of some adverse outcome, particularly in cancers. ठीक है, जब family members को cancer का news देना होता है. That is very important. And yes, and anything I've missed? Yes, for nutrition, there was one question that I have written for you. Additional calorie requirement in pregnancy, in first half of lactation, in the second half of first 6 months of lactation, 6 to 12 months of lactation. Definitely read that. Read important sources of vitamin A, बहुत important है, they're usually asking vitamin A. Okay, and read about midday meal program. ठीक है, कितना कैलोरीज होना चाहिए, कितना प्रोटीन्स होना चाहिए, देव आस्क्ड दैट मेनी अ टाइम्स. Yes, so these are the important questions and important topics that I've quickly told you. Disaster management, पोस्ट डिजास्टर फेज में वैक्सीनेशन पूछते हैं, कौन से नहीं देते हैं, कॉलरा, टेटनस एंड टाइफॉइड, देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ इट, ओनली वन वैक्सीन विच कैन बी गिवन विच इज मीजल्स. एज ऑफ नाउ रिमेंबर दिस, व्हेन आई टीच यू इन डिटेल आई टेल यू व्हाई एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. मेंटल हेल्थ में दे हैव आस्क्ड एक बार मेंटल हेल्थ एक्ट, सो प्लीज ट्राई टू रीड दैट मेंटल हेल्थ एक्ट that they might ask. Yeah, anything that I've missed? They've asked about Nipah virus 2 times, so quickly revise Nipah virus. Nipah virus ka mechanism of transmission is, as you know, infected pigs, bat and people. Direct contact होना चाहिए, या consumption of fruits and raw date palm sap which is infected with bat secretion. I'm just making you revise it. ठीक है. Okay, so these were the things that have come in this thing. Role of आशा, किसी ना किसी तरह से पूछ लेते हैं आशा का क्या क्या रोल है, वो देख लेना. Yeah, these are the things that have that they've asked. I think I've almost told you everything. And स्टडी डिज़ाइंस मैंने बता दिया, कन्फाउंडिंग बता दिया. एक ट्रांसमिशन असेसमेंट सर्वे पूछा था विच इज़ डन, आई पुट आउट इन माई इंस्टाग्राम ऑल्सो. मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव गिवन इट एज अ रॉन्ग आंसर. इट्स डन फॉर फाइलेरियासिस, वुचरेरिया, बैनक्रॉफ्ट टाइप. ओके, देन टॉक अबाउट मास ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, किस डिजीज़ में होती हैं, किस में नहीं होती है, पढ़ लेना. एंड बेसिकली येस, आई हैव कवर्ड ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू नो. Do talk about Kayakalp scheme, I missed it. It's for environmental sanitation. So yeah, these are the important questions, important topics. Last minute revision के लिए है topics that you should study. And rest, there's just 2 days to go. Be calm, be relaxed, and I'm sure I'll do the very best. Be composed, be featured. क्वेश्चन अच्छे से पढ़ना, आंसर क्वेश्चन में होता है, कहीं ना कहीं तो होता ही है, क्वेश्चन में ज़रूर होता है, ध्यान से पढ़ना. You'll be able to answer any doubts, any queries. You still have 2 days. Put out on my Instagram at crackpsm with Dr. Neha, and also on YouTube. And also I'll be very soon joining an academy from first week of June, so you can catch me there as well. So yeah, all the very best. Take care, be safe, and stay motivated. Thank you so much for watching.